Hi students, today our topic is paged memory. We know the meaning of paging. Paging is one of the memory management technique where the main memory is divided into number of fixed size of pages. Okay, so that fixed size of paging and partitioning the entire main memory is called as paging. It is one of the process. So page in this main memory is a unit of logical memory of your program. So the here frame, a frame is one of the word that represents the page frame. So that page frame is a unit of physical memory. Okay. Then one more term is there that is called as PTE, page table entries. Page table entries has some fields based on the mapping between the main memory with cache memory and main memory with the virtual memory. That page table entries will vary, but it has some three to two fields. So how it appears means it appears very similar to TLB entries. So TLB entries is nothing but it's a translation look-aside buffer entries. How this TLB entries will be updated dynamically, the same way only this page table entries also has to be updated. Fine. So there are one situation, one unsuccessful event will be happening whenever the page which is required for its execution is not found in main memory, means that unsuccessful event is called as page fault. So page fault is nothing but it's a one situation and scenario when it will occurs means it will occurs when the demanded page is not found in the main memory. Okay, then the time to service the page fault, that's unsuccessful even no. So the time taken to service to retrieve the demanded page to back means that time taken to service the page fault is called as a page fault service time. Then another one term is called as segmented memory. Segmentation is the process in which the main memory of the computer is logically divided. The very important term is it is logically divided into different segments, and each segment has its own base address. Okay, here we need to differentiate the meaning of paged memory and segmented memory. Paged memory is dividing the entire main memory into number of fixed size blocks, but segmentation is the process where the main memory of your computer is logically divided into number of segments. Okay, so that logically dividing the entire main memory into number of segments are called as segmented memory. Okay, then if we combine paging technology with segmentation technology, one more concept will be evolved. That technology is called as paged segment. Paged segment in the sense where each segment the addresses are divided into number of pages. So segment is the outermost part. In the segment the addresses are again divided into fixed size of pages. So that that technology is called as paged segment. So when you take paged segment, the address fields consist of three fields. One is segment number, second field is page number, and third one is offset. Okay, so what is the advantage of adding these two concepts together means? That means combining paging concept and segmentation concepts together means first of all the program files can be logically structured. Okay, so the program files can be logically arranged, thereby it reduces the page faults. So here we can have one diagram that shows about the segmentation process in the in one example specification. So here what is given here means the virtual address, that means VA, is specified by using two fields, segment and offset. So this is again converted into linear address. So then from linear address to it will be converted into physical address. This physical address is directly mapped with the main memory in the main memory. So how it is done means first this virtual address is given to the multiplexer for its conversions. So it will be mapped into the corresponding linear address. This linear address is given for the paging mechanism where this linear address is converted into physical address. So this is what done in this diagram. Then then the next concept is memory replacement policies. What is meant by memory replacement policy means it is a allocation and deallocations of memory for the program. First concept is allocating and deallocating the memories. Second one is replacement of memory pages. How a page will be replaced means a page replacement is a process in which the residential page in the main memory is replaced by a new page transferred from the disk. So a page which is retrieved from the disk will be replaced in the place of main memory. So that is called as page replacement topic. So how it is done means they are having some commonly used popularly known algorithms. What are those means? First one is least recently used algorithm. So this least recently used algorithm replaces the page which has the longest backward distance. So the page which is very few occurrences only it is used to means that page will be immediately replaced. An optimal algorithm is another one popularly known as algorithm which replaces the longest forward distances. And another third one algorithm is first in first out. This we know that which the page which is inserted first will be released and replaced immediately. Then least frequently used algorithm, that is LFU. LFU is nothing but a page which is considered very few only it is used means that page is replaced immediately. Then circular FIFO is another one technology where the FIFO concept is made up as a circular manner. So it will follow the circular FIFO algorithm for replacement of pages. And random replacement is the last one. It follows the trivial algorithm to choose any pages for the replacement randomly in a random manner. So these are all the main important page replacement policies which are followed in the cache memory management technologies. I hope you understand the concept of this one. I will catch you in the next video about next topic. Thank you.